Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vinayak Mukherjee and today I gonna say something apart from the topic I usually say, like not from football. I gonna say like from cricket. So my favorite team like in the IPL is Kolkata Knight Riders. So I gonna say something about that only, like what will be the starting 11 for Kolkata Knight Riders in IPL 2024. So from the beginning, if I gonna say that they have bought some well and good and very sparky players in the team, like there are very fiery batsmen like Shreyas Iyer, Nitish Rana, Andre Russell, Sirfan Rutherford, Venkatesh Iyer and many others like that, and they have bought really very fiery bowlers too. Like I gonna place my head and my eyes towards those pacers they have bought, like Chetan Sakaria, and who gonna forget about Mitchell Stark, the Mitchell Stark. They have bought him. So how gonna Gautam Gambhir as a mentor, and how gonna the head coach of KKR, Mr. Pandit, gonna secure the team and the lineup so well that he gonna beat SRH RCB teams like SRH RCB CSK MI. So I gonna say something about this only. So if we say about the starting 11 of KKR, so in the opening order, I gonna say in the number one there would be Jason Roy without any doubt. Bro, he killed it last season as well. I know there are some personal reasons of him going away, and there are some money issues or there are some injury issues related to him, but still he's one of the best openers we have. So in number one, I gonna consider Jason Roy. In number two, I gonna place KS Bharat as a wicket keeper in place of Rahmanullah Gurbaz. I know Gurbaz he deserves a chance, but I know I don't wanna place Gurbaz in number two. I gonna place KS Bharat. I know after some days Jason Roy will not be available, and if Jason Roy is not available from the beginning or in the end, then we're gonna place Gurbaz in the opening. That's not a big question. So in the number three, there would be Nitish Rana without any doubt. He plays outstanding cricket in the number three and one of the most underrated batsmen in India right now. So in number four, the captain of KKR, Shreyas Iyer, I gonna place him in the number four, and this year is also his comeback year, and I don't know why BCCI terminated his contract for just one Ranji match and not looking towards all the other contributions he was doing in the World Cup, making 2 or 3 centuries and playing across the field and putting enough of his best. And I don't wanna know why BCCI has done that much of politics. I don't wanna say politics, but I don't know BCCI what's going on in their mind. I don't know literally, but I gonna feel sad for Shreyas Iyer cause that man played literally well in the World Cup and he missed the IPL 2023 just for the sake of being played in the World Cup. He put his best in the World Cup, that's why he skipped the IPL 2023. But now BCCI is doing some unworthy case against him and terminating his contract. So apart from that, in number 4, I gonna place Shreyas Iyer. Absolutely okay. And in number 5, the middle order comes Rinku Singh, the Undertaker. Rinku Singh. So in number 5, I gonna place Rinku Singh, the Little Master, not the Little Master Junior. Means that's gonna be a controversy, but still I gonna say that Rinku Singh is the brilliant player. Like I don't have seen any other player coming from that much deep and getting into the spotlight in just one day, and not just because of one day. He was playing good cricket in IPL 2023 as well as in the national team. He got a chance whenever he got a chance. He played a fiery cricket. So now in number 5 there won't be Russell, there would be Rinku Singh, and in number 6 there would be Andre Russell, the X Factor of KKR. In number 7, you know who will be there, that will be Sunil Narayan, and in number 8 I gonna place Mitchell Stark. Now the bowler comes up in the place. So in number 8 I gonna place Mitchell Stark. In number 9 there would be Chetan Sakaria. There are many names too, like Ramandeep Singh and Harshit Rana, but in number 9 I gonna place Chetan Sakaria. cause he is one of my favorite bowlers in IPL. As a young talent, he gonna sign very much in KKR. If he finds Gautam Gambhir as a mentor and Pandit as a coach, then he gonna sign too much. After number 9, they're gonna be number 10. I'm gonna place Varun Chakravarti, the mystery spinner of KKR. And then in number 11, I'm gonna consider either Suya Sharma or Harshit Rana. That will be a very tough decision for the mentor and the coach to place two talents in one team. If there would be a impact rule, then it would be very easier for the management. I don't know. So this was the starting 11 of KKR for this IPL. I know there are some players, they will not get a chance like in all the other matches, as these are the favorite ones to get picked by the mentor and all staffs. So let's see what would be the conclusion and all of the IPL 2024. Let's wait for the result. And I guess this year gonna be Mahi's last year, Mahendra Singh Dhoni's last year, according to me. I don't know, but if he says definitely not again, then it gonna be a big issue. Not a big issue, a big surprise for us. And until then, let's wait for IPL 2024 and get more surprises, more blockbuster, more memes, and more fun. For boys, this IPL 2024 gonna be fun, and for me too. Like, I'm in the college, and in during IPL, after when the IPL will get started, there gonna be exams. So I don't think like I gonna enjoy IPL that much, but I will make sure I enjoy each and every match of this IPL. So that was all for my video. That was all for today. Thank you for those people who was till end, and until next, tata, bye bye.